Okay, hi everyone. So I had a question about picking a topic or a theme. Let's not even differentiate between topic and theme. Let's just say that you need to do some work related to your major, but it can't just be as general as photography, interior design, graphic design. It has to be, a topic or a theme under that. So let's use photography, for example. Now, ChatGPT, hopefully you're all familiar with that. This is OpenAI, and it's every instructor's worst nightmare or it's their dream. I find it to be, as long as you're not plagiarizing, I find it to be extremely handy for things like this. So let's just say, what are some topics or themes to explore in photography? Let's say as a student of photography. All right, let's hit go and see what it comes up with. Now, I have done this for the other majors as well. Let's just look at photography. So you're a photographer, you have an assignment where you need to, pick something to work on over the course and develop some 8 images. So, Chat GPT comes back and says, as a student of photography, there's numerous topics or themes you can explore, right? So, portraiture, landscape photography, street photography, documentary photography, still life photography, wildlife photography, abstract photography, architectural photography. You can see here, these are just a starting point. Now, if you wanted to take it further, you could say, you could say, as a student of photography, what are some of the themes I can explore in the topic of, let's use portraiture. All right. So we're going to dig a little deeper, right? So it says, in the realm of portraiture, there's several themes you can explore: environmental portraits, cultural diversity, emotion and expression, gender identity, aging and time, subcultures and communities, self-portraiture and identity, body positivity, relationships and connections, unconventional portraits. So you can see here that you have tons of things you could do. Even if you're just getting started in photography, you're not that adept at it. These are all kinds of new ideas. You could say, I'm going to do 8 portraits exploring cultural diversity, or I'm going to do 8 portraits of different people of different age groups that display a range of emotions and expression. Or you could pick a particular age group. I'm going to do all of my peers. And you could even break this down even more. You could explore portraiture in the realm of selfies. Okay, so try this out. As far as brainstorming and getting ideas on what you can do to create 8 images. Now, with photography, it's a little bit more problematic because you're not making a drawing, you're not making a collage, you're not building a sculpture. You're taking a photograph. So, if you said, well, I'm going to do landscape photography, and you went out and just took 8 landscapes, there's not a lot of creativity in there unless you're really showing, like, getting up at the break of dawn or doing some starscapes, doing something that, it would be very easy to just kind of like spend just a few minutes going out and clicking some photos, walking outside the house and say, here's my landscape project. So it has to show us in the results some digging, some exploration. You can even do some montaging, in Photoshop or something. But I don't know. The first thing is to like pick one of these that really seems interesting to you.